So we had our well drilled yesterday.
If you're new here, I'm Megan and this is Beau and our daughter Beckett. For 10 months now, we've been living on our land in northeastern Washington while building a shop house. We've had our struggles and we didn't pass inspection. And we've had our successes along the way. But each day we are closer to moving in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on this wild ride. It's very physically. I usually set my watch to other and get in a 4-hour workout. There we go. Good morning. So today is what would be Beau's 36th birthday, and my neighborhood and family and friends have graciously come together to help us with our tree clearing project. As you guys know, we have to have the first 5 acres done by this spring, and it's a lot of work for even just the two of us. And now that it's just me, in honor of his birthday, my neighborhood is coming out, my family's here. We are gonna try to clear as many trees as possible, have a bonfire, make some s'mores, and celebrate Beau's birthday. So hopefully nobody gets injured. And, the goal is to get the whole 5 acres done. We'll see. We've got heavy equipment, we've got chainsaws, lots of people, and we're just getting started. The party doesn't actually start for another hour. Party. But we're out here getting going. Luckily, it was supposed to be a horrible day. It's supposed to rain all day. It's not raining. There's even blue sky on the horizon, and hopefully it holds up. But if not, working in the rain is not gonna hurt anybody. So let's get to it. Big dog here. So, we just got more neighbors here with big equipment. My friend Christina rolled in here like a badass with her dump truck. They're getting loaded. The boys have been hard at work clearing back there. I know it's hard to tell from here, and you guys, the weather is holding up. It is sunny. It is not raining. It couldn't be better. Just means that Beau's here with us.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I don't think I've ever heard so many chainsaws in one area. We are still very new to this community, and to have this support from people that I am just meeting today is amazing. I wish you was here with us. We would be so thankful. I can't thank everybody enough for helping me do this.
Hey, hey, hey.
being filmed. I'm usually the one filming.
Yeah, Ray's not all about it either.
Oh man, you know,
It's awkward until you know.
we just holding our John Henry, getting it in. Never used the saw before, but I'm knocking it down. She's showing me how to get it done. Getting it done, 5 acres.
Sometimes you just gotta teach people how to use a chainsaw, even if it's tiny.
I'm in charge of recording.
So the party's only been going for a few hours, let's say like 3, and we have so much stuff cleared, it's crazy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christian Beau.